You need pressure. Pressure yourself to become successful. My mama dey always dey make one parable for me for Urugu. She say, "Oh boy, na here for." Wetin she mean? She say na age mate that they look, they live life. Assess your age mate. Even as you no dey in competition with anybody, learn to dey assess yourself. Which stage of life I dey? Where my age mate them dey? Very, very important. You are not in a competition with anybody. For life, normally, everybody not be the same journey. But even as everybody not there on the same journey, learn to know where you dey for life. Which stage of life am I now? Me not go dey live like because you won't live. Before you look at your prime, don't pass. I'm in my prime now. I can still do better things. And if I ever achieve anything, more they come. Now about self-elevation, self-motivation, self-hype. Learn to hype yourself. I'm the richest man in Delta State, richest man in the world. aka Elon Musk cry. When he heard about my greatness, he wept. Say Jesus. So one boy like this, they will exist for Nigeria. Self-hype. If you don't hype yourself, who will hype you? But they say, okay, draw video make you motivate us. If you dey find person who go still motivate you, that means you never really ready for life. Two-Face. Today, the first day of the rest of my life, I got to be strong and be ready for this life.
Man, this screen, man, this screen. Our P8. Huh? Flat. Speaker. Which one Peter speaker? Did you sample? Did you sample? You don't sample. No. What people see what sample? What sample? I can't check you. Because P5 on 3 times. This is cool. Don't mind finger names.